Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, September the 10th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We have slight fractional gains in the precious metals markets today, with gold currently trading up about 60 cents. This basis most active December's contract currently fixed at 12.01 even. Silver also trading higher on the day, net gain of about 4 cents at 14.21. Platinum showing about a $6 gain at 7.86, and palladium, the only one of the precious metals complex trading lower today, down $4.20 at $964 per ounce. Dollar weakness did provide some tailwinds for the precious metals complex, with the dollar index at 95.12, putting it down about 0.2% on the day. Now, as far as the equities markets go, we did see a mixed bag, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average down almost 60 points at 25,857. Standard & Poor's, though, was higher by about 0.2% at 2877, and the Nasdaq Composite about a 0.25% gain at 7924. So traders, I do want to start today's show off by looking at the dollar index. A dollar index actually losing about 0.2% or 19 points at 95.14. The one thing that I find that is extremely noteworthy today is the fact that on a technical basis, this green line represents our 50-day moving average. We can see that the lows that came in were just above the 50-day moving average. And obviously, this is a fairly critical price point that we do want to watch, because if we see the dollar index break below the 50-day moving average, most likely it'll track to about 94.12. That is the 0.38% retracement. It's a long retracement data set that we are using to achieve these numbers. And on the other hand, if we see the market move back higher above this, our next real resistance area is these series of tops, and this top here that came in just below 97. And traders, we can certainly see how dollar weakness today was expressed in terms of gold pricing. We are looking at spot gold. Current pricing is putting it down about 90 cents on the day, currently fixed at 11.95. That is this doji-like candle right here. Now, I've just gone ahead and pulled up the Kitco Gold Index. When we took this particular screen print, which was roughly 20 minutes ago, we had spot at 11.95.10, down $1.10 on the day. When we look at this a little bit closer, we can see that, in fact, a weakened U.S. dollar provided some support to the tune of $3.10, with selling pressure amounting to $4.20, thereby giving us our negative print on the day as far as physical gold is concerned. Traders, we are looking at a daily chart of gold futures, this being the most active December contract. What we can say is, even with light trading, we can see that over the last 3 days, we have had consistent lower lows, consistent lower highs, as we move to a price point that is pretty much equal with where the market closed on Friday. All things being equal, if we get our break below $1,200, which is what I am anticipating, I do believe that we could see gold futures track as low as 1178, and that is the 0.78% retracement of the precious yellow metal. But the fact of the matter is, gold is hovering just above $1,200. So if the opposite comes out to be the fact, in other words, we see some support come into the market, I believe that we would see some real strong resistance coming into the market at the top at around 1218. That is the 0.618% retracement, but we could see resistance come in much earlier, as low as, say, 1210, and that is based on this low here, as well as on a series of lows that come in between 1210 and 1218. Therefore, my recommendation is to maintain our current short position, which is at 11.9940, as well as our current stop. Lastly, a quick look at silver. We are looking at a daily futures candlestick chart. We can easily see that over the last 4 or 5 trading days, since the market has really fallen from about 1450 down to the low 14s, we can see sideways trading activity with silver attempting to form a base just above $14 per ounce. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.